So before starting actual demo, I would like to introduce myself. Okay. So myself Vidya, I'm having overall like around 12 plus years into IT industry. So coming to performance testing, around 11 years experience. So I have worked with a couple of product based as well as service based organizations, and also I have not only a performance tester based on the situations. I also worked as a Pega developer, and also I have worked as like a innovation, great innovation, and different type of activities I mostly involved on based on like core Java, etc. And coming to tools that I have worked on like JMeter, Load Runner, NeoLoad, and VSTS. That is also another kind of performance testing tool. Those are the different tools that I have good exposure, and I have worked on multiple type of protocols like web HTTP, HTML, web services, True Client, JDBC, FTP, Bolt connection, and also AEH protocol, and also Kafka topics. So we have a multiple protocols available, but based on the situations, I used to work on multiple protocols. Even it includes Plex as well. So coming to the monitoring tools, whatever I have worked, those are like Dynatrace, AppDynamics, New Relic, Grafana with Prometheus, Grafana with Influx DB, and also having like good exposure on Perfmon. So, and also not only this working experience, I know like how to create dashboards, even how to set up this Dynatrace, or how to set up the configuration of Grafana. And Jenkins also nowadays, everyone is asking for integration tool, right? So Jenkins, apart from that, GitHub, I hope you know, right, how to use GitHub. So those things also I have worked on, and Jira, all these things. So that is coming to my experience. Okay. So apart from that, I have received in my organization like a great innovation idea awards, hardworking awards, and also like auto report generation awards, so that I have implemented a few code to automate some process. So that is not at all related to performance testing, but based on my experience, based on the situations, I used to do it. So that is completely about myself. And coming to this performance testing training, I would like to talk about how demand in the market, and how was the salaries, who can take this performance testing courses. All these things I would like to talk about. So first, performance testing is having a lot of demand in the market nowadays. How much I can say is, for example, if you can take a Java, okay, so 100 positions means 100 employees is there. If you can take automation, if it has a 100 positions, okay, employees will be something like, sorry, employees will be like 80, means 80% employees already there, only 20% of openings we have in automation. But coming to performance testing, it is not like that. We have opportunities 100, but only 50 employees is there for performance testing. So that you can think about it, how demand it has. Okay. So we have more positions and very less employees in the market. So that is the reason everyone is choosing performance testing. And another important point I would like to include here, it is a very less coding. Okay. So if you have already having any Java knowledge or JavaScript, Python, so they can very simply, they can learn. Like it is not that complicated. Here there is no coding at all. Some process will be there. If you understand what is the end to end process once, so everywhere, if you can go any organization or anywhere, the same process will be there. So in this performance testing training, I'm going to give you a real time training. Even you are thinking about real time training means the Vidya will take a demo application and she will show us only the demo part. No, it is not like that. We have a real time application. I will give you the application. You have to do once I completed the scripting, or once I completed the topics whatever I have to cover in the classes. If I give you a practical or real time project to you, you have to do it. Okay, you have to do it, and you have to come to me and you have to come up with more questions. Then only I can able to understand, yes, these particular people are, yes, following the real time project. I can also able to help you to place you people as early as possible. Okay, so I would like to show you the success track record with my training. So lot of people got placed in top MNCs with my training and guidance. That is without any interview help. Whoever is following my complete classes without skipping any topic or without skipping any concept, they definitely get placed without any interview help. Even I would like to show you in the WhatsApp as well. So one batch is completed on this Saturday, just day before yesterday. So before batch completes, these many people got received the offers. These many people got received the offers, and 5 plus more people, we are waiting for the offers on this week, because L2C is completed, HR discussion is also completed, but they are doing pre-onboarding process. Once it is done, they got also placed on organization. Once they have also placed, I would like to post that also in the WhatsApp. So why I'm showing you this is, it is not like a proof. I will encourage you people. I will guide you the easy way, how fast you can learn the course. So that is my main aim. Okay, so who can learn this particular performance testing? Anyone can learn, like anyone is having career breaks or career gaps. So some people like females who can got a gap after marriage or after kids, right? Are also like anyone who is looking for already working with manual or ETL or any Java developers who is feeling more stress with the coding part. So right, they can also join and take this classes, because it was very easy to them. They can easily get placed in the organization. Okay, so if you have any basic programming skill, that will be an add-on. But anyhow, in our classes I will cover all the whatever it is required for performance testing, all the topics I will cover. Okay, so placement assistance also I will give you, right? So whoever following my classes, whoever completing my task, definitely I will support you with the placement assistant. The complete course will be not like 30 to 35 days. It will take around 50 to 60 days. Why? Because the complete content will be huge. Okay, so I need to start with very basic system level, starting with the computer basics, and I will explain very basic level to very advanced level. Even you can able to see how was the data trace, like monitoring, where you can find the issues, all the such things you can able to easily learn. And the remuneration I would like to talk about here. So who would like to place it on like service based organizations? For service based freshers, it will be like 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. Freshers, they can take any one tool is enough, like either JMeter or load runner. But coming to experienced people who would like to put like 3 plus years or 4 plus 5 plus years, definitely if you can learn both tools, that will be a add-on. Why? Because while during time of interview, you learned a JMeter course, for example. Okay, so coming to the load runner course, okay, you have not taken. Okay, so but in the interviews, whenever it is getting, they might be asking load runner also, right? So they might be having openings on load runner. They can able to take a load runner also. So we don't know, right? So that is the reason my suggestion was take two tools. That will be very good for you. And if it is a service based organization who is having 3+ experience, you can easily get a salary 10 to 12 LPA. This performance testing has a salary is similar to uh, developing itself, developers, okay, who is working, who is interested to go to product based organizations. Freshers package will be like 4 to 5 LPA. Coming to 3+, the if it is a product based, the package will be more compared to the service based, right? So let me show you the course content once. I think I have already shared on the WhatsApp, but again I will also share you, I will show you. So we have a two tools, right? JMeter and load runner. If you want to take a performance testing course, we have a two tools, that is JMeter and load runner. So this is the JMeter course content. If you want, let me share you this link in the chat. So you can also just go through it. Otherwise, I will directly attach the document. Just you can go through the course content. So it was like core to advanced level, like day wise topics. So in day one, the topics whatever I would like to cover, and day two, whatever the topics I would like to cover, like this. And the entire course will be divided into modules. So here we'll start first with basics, because you have to know the computer basics, you have to know the keywords, chat shortcuts, everything, right? So I will start with the basics. First 2 to 3 days or 4 days we'll go with the basics. Once basics is completed, we'll start with the modules, okay? So module 1 means, here if a new project is come to us, what are the things we have to do? That is comes under module 1. So module 2 means, once project is agreed, agreement is done, what are the things we have to do? So module 2 is a very huge and big topics. So it has a more depth content. Okay. So if you see here, these are all the module 2. Module 2 is very important. 80% of the performance testing will be there in module 2. Right, coming to module 3, it is like a test executions, okay? So it is very simple, it is like a test executions. So this is about module. And coming to module 4, this is for let me scroll down. See, this is the module 4. So main, like the profiling tools, or it includes very engineering level part. That is the module 4. See, please don't like consider the performance testing as a 4 modules. No, it is not like that. I have divided the course into 4 parts, okay? So why I have divided means to make you understand easy. If we go by module wise, it was very simple and easy. You can also easily understand. So that is the reason we go with a module wise. Okay. This is complete JMeter content. And coming to load runner, same uh, for basics, module 1 and module 4, 3 and 4, both are similar for load runner and JMeter. Coming to module 2, these are the topics it included. So if you see here module 2, few topics I have not included here, but I will cover it. I will share this document, just go through it. So even the load runner or JMeter, the training will be in very detailed and very depth level. Okay. So this is completely about the course content. Right. So next, I would like to talk about who can take, I already told, but still you can just, if you are a fresher, you can take any one tool is fine enough. If you are having 2 years or 3 years experience, so my suggestion was 2 years also, one tool is enough. But coming to 3 years or 3+, just you have to take both tools. That will be very important. Okay. So with these tools, app dynamics or dynamics dynatrace will be suggested. So by hearing you, these terms are new to everyone. But whenever I will teach or whenever I am going to explain, you can get understand more detail. Not a problem. Okay. So next, this is our little bit like special or exclusive features of the training. Okay. So I will show you the real-time project, that is either my office project or any one real-time project I will show you. I will give you a practice on complete new application. Okay, no one will show you this a basic a new application I will give you. And whenever class starts, so for example, today I have discussed about some topic, maybe some XYZ topic. So tomorrow, first 5 to 10 minutes, you have to answer the question so that I can able to understand. Yes, he or she can able to grasping, or they can able to easily understanding the concept. Okay, so once question answers was done, I will start the session. It will be like around 1 hour or 1.5 hours based on the situation. If it is a basics, I hope everyone already know the basics, so I will take it little bit more time. But if it is not basics, if it is a little complicated topic, if I take longer time, you feel little complicated. So to avoid that, I would like to go with minimum of 1 hour. Okay. So all the POC, NFR, test plan, all these documents will be real-time documents, and all the interview questions will be covered. Like while I'm teaching itself, I will tell you this is important. This is important for interview. At that time, you can just note it down. Okay, this is important. Something like that. Okay. Script recording also, I will explain you in a very simple and understandable manner. Okay, so different protocols that I will cover, and even I will cover like API testing. Okay, VTS means virtual table server, pacing calculations. This is very important nowadays. In every interview they were asking bottlenecks, results analysis, all these things will be common, right? So these are the exclusive features of our training. So, these things like what is performance testing, what are the things I would like to show you later. So, from tomorrow, I will start the class, actual class. So, today is only demo. If you have any questions, doubts, also you can discuss with me openly. I will help you to answer all your questions and answers. And our trainings will be Monday to Saturday. If you are like, if you want a time to practice, then we'll go with Monday to Friday. Okay. And Saturday, Sunday, you can practice. And again, whenever Monday class starts, you can ask the questions. If you have any doubts, for example, after 10 days or 20 days, something you feel like you're having lot of doubts. Okay, just you can intimate me, Vidya, we need a doubt session, so that we would like to clear our doubts. Then definitely I can take the doubt session. And practical sessions also, like I will explain one particular application, and I will ask you to share your screen, and you have to record it, and you have to do it, means you have to do it. Okay, that is mandatory. So if you join the class and if you people are very calm, and if you will drop, means no use. So you have to participate in the practical session. Resume preparing and also uploading the resumes, I will give you a guidance how to do that, I will also give you few resumes, you can prepare it. Okay. And also interview guidance, whenever required, I will also take the mock interviews. So this is completely about our training activities, and these are the list of tools. See, JMeter, load runner is two tools only, but with the two tools, these are the external or interrelated tools. This is very important, like load runner, JMeter, VTS, encoder, fiddler, bad boy. These are all the separate tools. Okay. Even JMeter, Jenkins, load runner, Perfmon, all these things are the different tools. All these things I will cover as part of our training. Right. Even I will open it and show you few things. See, in my desktop, if you see blue, green, yellow things, right? This is the load runner tool. Okay, load runner tool. Let me open the JMeter. So this is the JMeter tool. This is how it will looks like. And also we have a fiddler. We have a bad boy. So this is the fiddler tool looks like, the green one. Okay. And let me also show you bad boy. This is the bad boy tool. Okay. And what else we have? Fiddler, bad boy, postman. This is the postman tool. Okay. And not only these tools, okay, so we have a lot of tools, JVisual, VMA, Clips, Mat, all the things I will provide you a real time, no worry. Okay, so even if I miss anything, you can also feel free to ask me, because a few people is already working and they want to upgrade their knowledge. Okay, as part of this training, if it is a JMeter, means the basic Java also covered, because uh, I would like to include that as part of our training, right? And another thing I would like to include, I will provide you a lifetime video access. Okay, all the videos will be uploaded in the YouTube. Let me show you how it will be. Meanwhile it opens. So this is our document drive. Okay, so the documents will be based on the, like, this folder contains code content. Today demo, whatever I have talked, the demo document will be here. This is the basics. Once basics completed, we'll start with module 1, then module 2. Just if you open this, you can see the complete entire end-to-end documentation with the screenshots, examples, everything. The documents will be very huge. Okay. If you just scroll down and check. Like this, we have it module 3 and also module 4. Even we have interview questions, notes, practices. Practices means who are done the practices, previous batch students. They have whatever the task I have assigned, they will try to complete it and put it here. It is about practicing folder. Okay. And apart from that practicing, real-time project will be there, and resumes. Okay. User manuals, softwares. No need to download or no need to install any software. I will tell you how to install, where to download. Everything will be there in this particular drive. Clear? So even as a part of our training, I will cover MySQL also. MySQL very basic level. And these 100 Java programs also I will give you. Why? Because nowadays in interviews, they will ask you the basic Java programs. That is the reason I would like to give you this 100 Java programs. Okay. So even similar kind of drive will be there for load runner. This is only for documentation and notes is different. Let me show you any previous class notes. If you just go through these notes, that is enough for your interviews. See, it is from day 1. So every day topics, I will, like this, I will provide you the notes. So I will put a date like this. For example, today is day 5. So like this, I will put whatever the topic I am going to cover and what are the important points, I will keep on note it down like this. Okay. And same way for day-to-day classes. It will be complete till end the day, end of the classes. All the things with examples, everything will be like including Dynatrace. Okay. So this is how the complete notes, and daily notes also I will put it on group, and videos also I will put it on group day to day. Apart from that, once the prepayment was done, I will give you video access and drive access. Drive access means here software, all the course contents, everything will be there. This is very important, right? Okay, whatever the steps that I will teach in the class, those things will be there here in these modules. Okay, so this is completely about our training, and this is completely about whatever the things I'm going to give you. So just start asking the questions if you have any. Let me stop recording.